नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 8 सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 12 इंडिया पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस वर्क बुक सॉल्यूशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एमसीक्यू जो कि है फर्स्ट नंबर पे है, व्हेन डिड इंडिया अटेन इंडिपेंडेंस? तो डी ऑन 15 अगस्त 1947। सेकंड, एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस हाउ मैनी प्रिंसली स्टेट्स वेर देयर इन इंडिया? तो बी 562। थर्ड, हु डिसाइड टू पार्टीशन इंडिया? तो ए लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन। फोर्थ, हु पास द इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्ट? तो बी द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट। फिफ्थ, हु वॉज अपॉइंटेड एज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? तो ए लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन। सिक्स नंबर, हु बिकेम द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? तो बी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। सेवन, विच स्टेट डिड सर सी.आर. रामास्वामी अय्यर डिक्लेयर एज अ सोवेरियन रिपब्लिक? तो सी त्रावणकोर। एट, विच नवाब डिसाइडेड हिज डिज़ायर टू जॉइन द यूनियन ऑफ पाकिस्तान? तो ए द नवाब ऑफ जूनागढ़। नाइन, हु मर्ज द प्रिंसली स्टेट्स इनटू द यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया? बी सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। 11, which king was the first one to accept the merger with the Union of India? तो डी कृष्ण कुमार सिंह जी। 11, of which state was Sri Krishna Kumar Singh ji the king? B भावनगर। 12 number, who unfurled the tricolor from the Red Fort in Delhi for the first time? तो पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। A 13, how was Junagadh merged into the Union of India? B by conducting a referendum of people of Junagadh। 14, when did Pakistan attack Kashmir? तो D in 1948। 15, when was the Constituent Assembly formed? C in 1946। 16 number, who was appointed as the President of the Constituent Assembly? D Dr. Rajendra Prasad। 17, from when was our Constitution implemented? A from 26 January 1950। 18, which date do we celebrate as Republic Day? तो C 26 January। 19, which day do we celebrate as Independence Day? तो D 15th August। 20, who was the last Governor General of Independent India? D Chakravarti Rajgopalachari। 21, who was the first President of India? B Dr. Rajendra Prasad। Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, our country India became independent on 15th August 1947. Second, Pakistan was separated from India on 14th August 1947. Third, there were 562 states in India at the time of independence. Fourth, the policy of the British was always to divide and rule. Fifth, the proposal of partition of India was put forward by Viceroy Lord Mountbatten. Sixth, according to Viceroy Lord Mountbatten's plan, the British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act. 7, Lord Mountbatten was appointed as the first Governor General of Independent India. 8, Muhammad Ali Jinnah was appointed as the first President of Independent Pakistan. 9 number, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled the tricolor from Red Fort in Delhi for the first time. 10 number, Sri C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer declared Travancore as a sovereign republic state. 11 number, the Nawab of Junagadh desired to merge Junagadh with Pakistan. 12, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his secretary Sri V.P. Menon were given the responsibility of merging of state. 13, Ratubhai Adani along with other people established the RG Hukumat. 14, military action was taken to merge Hyderabad into the Union of India. 15, Gandhiji was assassinated on 13 January 1948. 16, Nathuram Godse assassinated Gandhiji. 17, the Constituent Assembly was formed in 1946. 18 number, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. 19, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed as the president of the Constituent Assembly. 20, the Constitution of India was implemented from 26 January 1950. 21, we celebrate 26 January every year as our Republic Day. 22, we celebrate 15th August every year as our Independent Day. 23, Chakravarti Rajgopalachari was the last Indian Governor General of Independent India. 24, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first President of Independent India. Question number 3, true or false? First, the British always maintained that Hindus and Muslims had the same welfare. Wrong. Second, Viceroy Lord Mountbatten was of the opinion that if India had to be independent, partition was inevitable. Right. Third, the Nawab of Junagadh desired that Junagadh should be merged with the Union of India. Wrong. Fourth, Hari Singh was the king of Kashmir when India became independent. Right. Fifth, Gandhiji became a martyr on 13 January 1949. Wrong. Sixth, all the members of the Constituent Assembly lived in Delhi. Wrong. The 7 number, the Constitution of India was implemented on 26 January 1950. Right. 8, we celebrate 15th August as our Republic Day. Wrong. Question number 4, match the pairs correctly. First, Independence Day. तो आंसर आएगा सेकंड 15th अगस्त. सेकंड, फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू. थर्ड, रिपब्लिक डे तो 26 जनवरी. फोर्थ, फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया तो डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. फिफ्थ, चेयरमैन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली तो आंसर आएगा फोर्थ, डॉक्टर आम्बेडकर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 सेंटेंस. First, when did India become independent? So India became independent on 15th August 1947. Second, when was Pakistan formed? So the Pakistan was formed on 14th August 1947. Third number, what did Muslims who were influenced by the thoughts of the British believe? Many Muslim leaders were convinced that the Muslim community would not be safe and their socio-political and cultural interest will not be taken care of in independent India. Fourth, what was Viceroy Lord Mountbatten's opinion about India's independence? Viceroy Lord Mountbatten was of the opinion that if India had to be independent, its partition was inevitable. If the partition is not done, there would be communal riots everywhere, which would harass people. Fifth, who prepared the plan for the partition of India? What was done to implement this plan? The Viceroy Lord Mountbatten prepared a plan for the partition of India, which was known as the Mountbatten Plan. To implement the plan, the Resolution of Indian Independence Act 1947 was passed. Question number 6. Who was appointed as the first Governor General of Independent India? So Lord Mountbatten was appointed as the first Governor General of Independent India. 7. Who was appointed as the first President of Independent Pakistan? So Muhammad Ali Jinnah was appointed as the first President of Independent Pakistan. 8. Which areas were included in Pakistan? So Sindh, Baluchistan, West Punjab and boundary areas and West Bengal. 9 number. Who unfurled the Indian tricolor from Red Fort for the first time? When? So Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled the tricolor flag of our country at the Red Fort in Delhi on 15th August 1947. 10 number. Who was given the responsibility of merging the princely states into the Union of India? So the responsibility of merging these princely states into the Indian Union was given to the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who successfully completed the monotonous task with the help of his assistant Sri V.P. Menon. 11. Who took the initiating of joining the Union of India first? The King of Bhavnagar Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji took the initiative of joining the Union of India first. 12. Which princely states refused a merge with the Indian Union? To the state of Junagadh, Hyderabad and Kashmir refused to merge with the Indian Union. 13 number. Who proved India's political unity after independence? How? So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel proved India's political unity by successfully merging the princely states into the Indian Union. 14. Who assassinated Gandhiji when? Gandhiji was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 13 January 1948. 15. With which words did Jawaharlal Nehru announce the sad news of Gandhiji's death on radio? The friends and comrades, the light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere. I do not know what to tell you and how to say it. Our beloved leader, Bapu as we called him, the father of the nation, is no more. 16 number. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. 17. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly of India? So Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly of India. 18. When was the Constitution of India implemented? So the Constitution of India was implemented on 26 January 1950. So this day is known and celebrated as Republic Day. 19. Who was the last Governor General of Independent India? तो चक्रवर्ती राजगोपालाचार्य was the last Indian Governor General of Independent India. 20 number. Who was the first President of Independent India? तो Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of Independent India. 21. Which are our national festival? तो 26 January Republic Day and 15th August Independence Day are our national festivals. 6 number. Answer the following question briefly. First, which problem did India have to face as challenges at the time of independence? Or which 3 challenges did India have to face at the time of independence? तो अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर मैक्सिमम टू योर रिलेटिव एंड फ्रेंड सर्कल, ओके। और अगले साल से मतलब अभी वैकेशन पूरा होते होते हम स्टैंडर्ड 10th का सोशल साइंस चालू करने वाले हैं। तो जो भी आपके दोस्त है, कोई रिलेटिव है, तो उनको बता दीजिए और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आंसर देखो, 80 lakh refugees who had come into India from Pakistan had to be rehabilitated. As many as 562 small and big states of India had to be integrated into United India to build a stable political system to fulfill people's hopes and expectation and develop India into a strong nation. यहाँ नीचे FB पेज का एड्रेस है, टेलीग्राम की 2 चैनल का एड्रेस है और ब्लॉग का एड्रेस है, ओके। 2 number. What plan did Lord Mountbatten makes? Why? So Viceroy Lord Mountbatten was of the opinion that partition was an inevitable condition to India's independence. Otherwise, the entire country would face communal riots and many people would suffer. Many visionary leaders who know the reality accepted the proposal of a separate Pakistan most unwillingly. Thus, Viceroy Lord Mountbatten prepared a plan for the partition of India, which was known as the Mountbatten Plan. The British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act 1947 that finalized the arrangements for partition and abandoned British sovereignty over the princely states. Question number 7. Answer the following question in detail. First, write a brief note on the merger of the princely states into the Indian Union, or give some information about the merging of the princely states into the Indian Union. At the time of independence, there were about 562 states in our country. India could emerge as a strong, united and prosperous country only if all these states joined the India Union. The most important and challenging task of merging these princely states into the Indian Union was completed by the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his Secretary Sri V.P. Menon with their excellent diplomatic skills and their appeals to the patriotism of the various kings. They successfully merged 559 states into the Indian Union. In the end, only 3 states were reluctant to cooperation: Junagadh, Hyderabad and Kashmir. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel conducted a referendum and declared Junagadh as a part of the Indian Union as per the people's will. Military action was taken against the Nizam of Hyderabad, and in the end the state was also merged into the Indian Union. Pakistan attacked Kashmir in 1948 CE. At that time, the King of Kashmir, Hari Singh, officially joined the Indian Union.